Hello student, today we are going to solve this new chapter. The part of the second chapter is decimal. Okay. Now the first type of question in the decimal is convert the decimal into fraction. Okay. Means you can convert the decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal. So my first problem is given 2.34. Okay. Now I can write down here 1. Okay. How many places the decimal is given? After 2 places, so I will put here 20. Okay, my fraction will becomes 234 upon 100. Okay, now both the numbers are even numbers, so I can cut this by 50. Okay, what will come here? Then this will be 11 to the 22. Okay, now what will come here? 117 will come here. Now this is the required fraction, 117 divided by 50. Now this is even number, this is odd number, so stop. Okay, now I am going to solve the second problem here. 0.342 is given. Now what I will do here, write down first 1. Then I will see the decimal after 3 place, means I will put here 30. Okay. What will come here? 1000. Again both the numbers are even number, so I can cut this number by 2. Okay, this will come to be 1 and this is come to be 500. Okay, now what is the third problem is given? 17.38 is given. Okay, now here the decimal after how many place? 2 place. So I will write down here 100. Then again both the numbers are even, so I can divide both by 2. What will come here? 550 will come here. 2 8 the 16, 2 6 the 12, 2 9 the. Okay. Now this number is not even, this is even. So now you understand this one, how to convert the decimal into fraction. Now we are going to solve the second question, in which the fraction is converted into decimal. Okay. Now here 25 is given plus 1 by 8 is given. Now I want to make this as 1000. Okay. Now I will multiply here 125, here also 125, because I know that 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. Means make the denominator in the term of 10, 100 or 1000. Okay. Now this will be 1000. Now this can be written as 25. Zeros are there, therefore the decimal 0.125. Okay. Now the second problem is given 23 upon 10. Okay. How many zeros are there? Only 1 0 is there. Therefore the decimal after 1 place will come here. My answer will be 2.3. Okay. Now third problem 15 plus again 1 by 8 is given, means I will multiply this by 125. Okay. Now what will come here? 15 plus 125 upon 1000. Again I will put the decimal after 3 places. So what will come here? 15 plus 0.125. My answer will be 15.125. Okay. Now if you are given 4 plus 1 by 4 is given. Okay. Now what you will do here? You multiply this by 25, so you will get 100. So I will multiply here also 25. Okay. Now what will come here? 4 plus 25 upon 100. Now those 0 hai, so decimal after 2 place, means 4 plus 0.25. My answer will be 4.25. This is also an extra sum, you can solve this. Okay, you understand? Now in this third question, you want to add the decimals. Okay. Now here First observe decimal after 1 place, 2 place, 2 place, 1 place. Okay. Now I will start writing with 2 places. Okay. 39.24. Okay. Now what will come here? 5.01 will come here. Okay. Now I am writing first the decimal having 2 places. Now I can write down 62.6 is given. Okay. Now I can put here 0. Okay. You understand? Now in the case of this also I can put 41.8 is given, so I will put here 0. Means the position must be same. You want to add this one. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 6, 14, 16. Okay. Carry 1, 10, 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. Carry 1, 4, 6, 10, 14. This is your answer. Okay. Now, in the third problem, what is given here? 18.03, 146.3, decimal after 2 place, decimal after 1 place, here decimal after 3 place, here also 3 place. Okay. Now, so I will write down first 5.324. Okay. Now second I will write down 0.829, decimal after 3 place. Then I will write down decimal after 2 place is 03. Now I can put here 0. Okay. Now 146.3 is given, so I will put here 2 zeros. Okay. This is 3. Now I can add this one. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry 1. 2 to 4, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. Carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6, 12, 20. Carry 2. 2 plus 4, 6, 7. And the answer is coming to be 170.483. You understand this one? Then the position of decimal must be equal. Then we are going to solve the fourth problem. This is a word problem. Okay. What should be added to 36.585 plus, I am writing here x. Okay. I want to find out to get 59.41. Okay. Now I want to find out the value of x. So I will transfer this to that side, means 51.5941, 36.85. Okay. Now what I am doing here, 59.41, decimal after 2 places, 36.85. I want to subtract. You know how to subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay. Then this will be 3. 13 will come here. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay. Now 11 minus 6 is 3. 9 means 8. 8 will come here. Means 2 will come here. This is 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Now this is your required answer. Means you have to add x is equal to 12.56. Okay. Now 11 minus 5 is 6. Carry 1 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. Then 9 minus 7. Okay. Is to get 2.051. What should be subtracted from 17.1 minus x? I am writing to get 2.051. Now here x is negative, so I will transfer here and this number is here. So what will come here? 17.1 minus 2.051 is equal to x. Now here the decimal is after 1 place, here is after 3 place. So I will put here 2 zeros. Means I can write down 17.100 up minus 2.051. Okay. This will be 9. This will be 6, 4. Okay. Now this will be 0. then 5 and 15. 15.049. Okay, what is the value of x is equal to 15.049. Okay, now we are going to solve divide by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, this is very easy for the student. 142. Here it is given upon 10. Decimal after how many places? 2 places. So I will put here 2 0. Then here are the 3. Means the decimal will come after 3 places. Means 14.245. Okay. Because of these 3 zeros, I will shift this to that. Okay. By this, what is given? 459.5 divided by 0. Then after how many places? 3 places will come here. Means 4.595. Okay, this is the answer. Now the last problem is 253.41 upon 1000 is already given. Okay, now for removing this I must put here 2 zeros. How many zeros are there? 5 zeros. Means I want to put the decimal after 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means decimal will come here. So I will write down here 0.25341. Means you can do this directly. If 1 0 is there, means you have to transfer the decimal after 1 place. If 100 is there, you have to transfer the decimal to the left side of the 2 place. 1000 is there, you have to shift the 3rd place. Okay, you will get direct answer, but this is the procedure for you. In higher classes you can do by this method. When we divide, the decimal is shift towards which side? Of the left side. Okay, left side depends on the number of which one? Number of zeros. Okay, in multiplication, what will come here? Multiplication. In multiplication, decimal point. Okay, decimal point shift towards right. Okay, we will do the problem of multiplication in next lecture. You understand this one? Okay, thank you.